So before we really get started in the course, I'd just like to take a few minutes here to help you orientate and navigate your way around the course, because throughout the lessons that follow there's going to be a few ways that I'm going to encourage you to make the most of this online e-learning experience. Because in the additional materials section within each lecture, you're going to find that either to the left of the screen or the right of the screen, or perhaps underneath this video that you're watching right now. You're also going to find an MP3 audio version of each video lecture, which you can download and do with as you like. You can listen to on your smartphone, your tablet or your iPod or whatever. And I've also created a batch of really cool workbooks, worksheets, exercises and ebooks or mini articles that you can also download, print off and work your way through so that you can really get the most from this course. And in the additional materials section of this lecture, you're going to find a course learning log that's going to look something like this. Now, I've just designed this for you, which is broken down into sections. There's a section for each video lecture where you can just simply scribble down any notes, any thoughts, any ideas that you get, or aha moments, of which I'm hoping at this stage that you're going to experience quite a few, especially by the time we've finished. But at this stage, I'd also encourage you just to ask me as many questions as you possibly can about any of the ideas that I discuss. And the reason is that this is important because, it's taken me years to really understand everything that I'm going to be sharing with you throughout this course. And even though some of it might seem or sound relatively simplistic at points, I don't make any apologies for this, because you see, all we're really looking to do here is lay a solid foundation of truth that's going to be strong enough and sustainable enough for you to begin building the rest of your life upon. So just to finish up here, if you'd be willing to take a few minutes and introduce yourself, I would absolutely love the opportunity to welcome you to the course personally. So just start a new discussion and share your name, whereabouts in the world you're watching me right now, and also the main reason why you've taken this course. What is it that you're hoping to get out of it? But other than this, I really do hope that you find value in this course, as from the next video onwards we're going to begin to unpack and explore exactly what it takes to start living your life with unshakable confidence.